Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to access your Ko-Fi account if you forgot your password. Following these steps will help you regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Go to the Ko-Fi login page. Open your browser and visit kofi.com/login. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your email address. Type the email address associated with your Ko-Fi account and click Send Reset link. Ko-Fi will send instructions to your email. Step 4. Check your email. Open the email from Ko-Fi and click the Reset Password link. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Step 5. Create a new strong password and confirm it. Make sure it's unique and not used on other sites. Step 6. Log into your account, enter your email and new password, and access your account to manage posts, supporters, and settings. For more quick and helpful Ko-Fi tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.